Welcome to the Starchive Custom Fields video. Find, manage, and share your media. Custom fields are a new way to interact with your files by grouping and organizing based on tiered data that offers more description than a normal tag. Unlimited custom fields are able to be added to both files and folders to have customizable settings to fit your organizational needs. You can create a custom field from within a detail pane or by opening the Custom Fields Management modal here. The most important component of a custom field is the name. Custom fields names must be unique and are not case sensitive. The name is what connects all of the values together and what you will input into your files. For this custom field, the name of the list is wildlife and a value within the list is tiger. The value, in this case tiger, within a custom field is the specific information assigned to a file or folder. It can be a unique combination of characters and numbers, is case sensitive, and the values will form a drop-down list after being added to the list custom field. Values are added to all custom field types, and the organizational structure will differ depending on the custom field type chosen. The same value can belong to multiple custom fields. Tiger is a value within the list wildlife, as well as the value within the list cats. For some custom fields, like grouping animals, artists, or clients, lists might be the best organizational method. Other groupings may require more information or a simple true or false. For these situations, we have the field types paragraph, true or false, or date. The custom field you choose will determine the input information necessary and how your files will be linked. Lists support multi-values and will link all the items within the custom field. They allow you to have an overarching connection and specific tags to link all similar files, such as people, places, or events. Paragraphs are single values and support HTML and basic formatting and can be used to input more textual information to a file. True-false are single Boolean values that can mark files as true and false or be left unset. By viewing a true-false custom value, you are able to see all the assigned files to all three values. Dates are single values in year, month, date format, and multiple date custom values can be added to the same file or folder. Dates are particularly helpful in cross-searching files and folders with other custom fields. Files and folders are able to hold unlimited custom fields, which can be used to pinpoint specific criteria. For example, from the file search bar, I'm able to select a value within a custom field and cross-search it with criteria from a different custom field, such as true and false. In this way, I'm able to find the exact media I need and have it all organized by the different searchable values. Custom fields are a powerful new addition to Starchive. We'll explore the feature in more detail in other videos in the future. And that's it for the Starchive Custom Fields video. Create, find, share, repeat.